Hey guys, today I'm gonna update you guys with what's going on with my build. Getting closer to getting this thing on the ground, but it's still not there. But check this out. Got the coilovers, putting on the front spindle, the engine's in, and then today I ran into an issue. So I got my dry shaft shop, aluminum dry shaft in, but I have a problem. And somebody did mention this to me, but I wanted to wait until it happened to me. So, as you can see, I got the GK Tech e-brake cables for when you're doing the conversion, 300ZX rear caliper conversion. And then you get the bracket. So I got the bracket, right? But the problem with the bracket is, okay, this side's good. I don't know why. This side, it's bottom right out. So the dry shaft is hitting on here. And so that way I can't even get my dry shaft on flush. So someone has mentioned this to me, talking about how the e-brake cable will just rest on here, and it happened to me here. I tried playing around from here, here, and here, these different settings. At this setting here, it actually made this bulge a bit more. So I mean, I have a problem now, and this is an issue. So I think I'm just gonna figure something out. I might just take this out, put it in the vise, and then bend it so I can get this to bend upward. I might have to cut it, re-weld it, and bend it up. But yeah, this is the issue here. Not sure. Is it my chassis? Is it friggin' bent, or is this a product that needs a little rework? I don't know. I don't like bashing on company's product, but it's out here making money. You shouldn't have any issues, right? Maybe it's just me. I don't know. You guys be the judge. All right, so I did some modification to the brackets, and check it out. Basically, from this point to this point is 2 inches and 1/8. From here to here, 2 inches and 1/8. Drew a straight line across, cut it, and then I put this end into the vise, and then you just pound this back, and it gives it a slight angle. And then now I bolted everything up. So I'm gonna fit in the dry shaft and see if it clears. If it clears, then I'm just gonna go ahead and weld up these openings in here, and it should stay put. Okay, check out the clearance. All right, my dry shaft is in. It's able to sit flush now. And the clearance, exactly what we needed. Sounds good too. So I was concerning about this point here, where the cable's resting on this part of the bracket. It's just resting, and you got rubber here, so I think it's okay. Should be fine. Not drifting or anything. This is e-brake for this when I'm parking. Not a big deal, but I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, if you really want, I can give it less angle too. Let's push this down. Alright guys, see? That's the smallest angle you just need to put to get it to clear up. But yeah, I'm gonna weld this up, grind it flush, and then blast a little paint on it, and we're good. Continue on with the project. Okay, today we got the Mastercraft Special MIG flux core wire feeder welder with gas, right? So I'm using MIG wire with gas. Don't use that flux core shit. That's gasless, because that shit's gross. But for what I'm doing, it doesn't need to look nice, because it's gonna get grinded down flush. It's just a little bracket. Have your safety on, guys. Okay guys, check it out. Basically just ran some hot passes right through. Make sure you got the side. And now I'm just gonna grind this flush like it didn't even happen, and then put a nice layer of black paint on here. And we're good to continue on with this project. Right, so this is it, man. All we needed was a little bend here. I mean, if you had like one of them heavy duty breaker, you can probably put a bend in here. I don't have that, so I had to cut the slit, weld it. Now we just gotta remove this paint and put on some new paint, and we'll be good. Here's the finished product. It was painted and left overnight to dry. Sprayed it in etching primer and then some black. But yeah, basically it's gonna get mounted like this, and you can see it's bent upward a bit, so it should have that e-brake go up a little bit and clear that dry shaft like it never happened. GK Tech, if you guys can make this product with a little bend in it, it'll be all good for everybody, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we got it installed. Check it out. So, on this side, you can see the gap there. And I made sure that it clears those weight. They were balancing the shaft with these. So you want to make sure that it will clear that, right? And some minor movement. Dry shaft, it's good over here. The other side has even more room. Let's see here. Yeah, even more room on this side. Not sure why. Maybe the way everything is lined up, but everything's good to go. Continue on with my project. Alright guys, so that's my little update on my dry shaft and my e-brake issues. But that's all fixed now. We're good to go. I'm gonna continue on with my project. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully some more exciting stuff, you know what I'm saying? See you guys later.